David, appreciate you stopping by, talking to us here at myprintresource.com.
Thank you for inviting me.
Show been good for you?
Unexpectedly, actually.
Unexpectedly.
We didn't have high expectations for the show, but they've turned out to be. We've turned out to be surprised.
Well, now your company, Standard Finishing, has developed and unveiled some new products here, including one that's called Smart Stacker. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, Smart Stacker has been designed in conjunction with working with HP on their new 10,000 P2 size, 2029 sheet size digital inkjet press. And basically what it does is it takes a sheet of output, and it will cut it, slice it in two different directions, and then it will collate if necessary, so you can come out with a sheet that can be cut into up to 28 different sections, and then collate them, stack them, and then send them on to different downstream output devices, be that stitching or binding or folding.
Well, there's amongst other things, automation and finishing and reducing the bottlenecks of the whole process has been something that's really innovative in the entire finishing industry. Can you talk a little bit about that and what your focus is?
Well, our focus continues to be on making the whole back end of the printing process more efficient. I think that really what we're talking about is workflow. How do you streamline that workflow process? And that gets involved in a lot of things, and a couple of things that we're focusing on in particular at this show that also ties in with the Smart Stacker as well is intelligence, adding more intelligence to the machine to eliminate any errors and to make it so that anyone can run these things. And the second thing is trying to improve on the upside, on the front end, more pagination, so that people are setting up the jobs in a way that allows the automation to be used to its maximum effect. And that's something that we're focusing more on. And by companies that are doing this, they're going to streamline and get the maximum amount of efficiency that they can out of these systems.
The expansion now of digital forms, has that been a major effect on your industry, your company?
I think overall it's affecting all of us. I think what we see it affecting is more in the longer run. We focus on the short run and on the individualized or personalized copies of things. And in that area, I think going to digital has actually increased the need and the desire to look at this kind of short run work and digital work.
So it's a good thing for you.
So it plays into our strength, yes.
Absolutely. Well, great. Appreciate you taking the time to stop by, say hello.
Well, thank you very much.
Talk to us. Nice meeting you.
Appreciate your having me.
Hope the show goes well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.